Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to 6x squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2x dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 2x over negative number 2. So we have u multiplied by v. So number 6 divided by negative number 2. We have negative number 3. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So number 2 divided by negative number 2. We have negative number 1. Negative with negative. So we have positive. And now we just have only number 6. And we have s e to the power of negative 2s. Now we need to use about integration by parts again. And this one that should be about s. And this one we have the s. So this one we have u multiplied by v. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So negative with negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration e to the power of negative 2s ds. So the integration of this one, that is about negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2s. And I will put about c. So this one that is about negative number 1 over 4 e to the power of negative 2s. So number 6 multiplied by this one, we have negative number 3s e to the power of negative 2s. And we have negative number 3 over 2 e to the power of negative 2s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.